How's it going, guys? It's Habib here, founder of Smart E-commerce, an e-commerce marketing agency that helps e-commerce brands increase sales and profits using the power of email and SMS marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Shopify notification emails, right? So if you're using Shopify as your e-commerce platform, you probably know that you can't really turn off most of the notification emails, right? And in most cases, these emails are very ugly, they are so basic. So what we want to do is customize them to our brand, right? We want to make it look branded and more compelling to customers, right? Because you don't want to be sending customers some basic emails. You want to customize your emails and make it look very cool. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to customize those emails. But the thing is, if you look into your notification emails in Klaviyo, for example, the order confirmation email, you will see that this email is so basic, and to edit it is just a block of HTML text, which is hard to customize for many people. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to customize them, and we're going to be doing that using Klaviyo, right? So you're going to customize this email in Klaviyo, then export them to Shopify so they can look more branded. So I'm going to be showing you how to do everything step by step. So if you look here, you can see what the order confirmation email looks like, right? So let's say we want to make this better. We can do that easily in Klaviyo. So we're going to head back to our Klaviyo, then we click on email template. So what we want to do next is create template. Then we can see here Shopify notification template. So you're saying this because you've already integrated your Klaviyo account with your Shopify store. So Klaviyo is able to pull all those notification emails directly from Shopify. So what we want to do is click on this and name this template. So we can say Shopify order confirmation. Then we create template. So this gives us more ability to customize some things and put some logo and stuff like that. Then we can customize it how we want. Put the link. You can increase the size, do it however you want. So you can do all that here. Then also you can put something here if you want to customize the text, and also here too you can customize the text if you want. For example, maybe you want to put the customer's name, so you can do that here, first name, right? So you can do all this customization here without having to code too much. But at the same time, you want to be careful you don't mess up with all these dynamic tags, right? Because these are pulled out automatically from Shopify, and if you mess them up, it can cause some kind of glitches. So you want to make sure you're really careful with these things. So what you want to do next is press save, and you can also do some things, pull out some some buttons, some social links. You can pull out, you can drag all those things here. But right now we can keep it simple and leave it the way it is, right? So you're gonna click save and return to template. So now we have our order confirmation email customized. So what you want to do next is click on export, right? So you copy this code, then you head back to your Shopify store. Then here under the order confirmation, you paste the code you copied from your Klaviyo account, you paste it here. Now let's see what the order confirmation email looks like. So you can see this looks so much better than the one before. And again, if you want to edit anything, you just have to go back to your Klaviyo account and edit it again, follow the process. So that's how you replace the order confirmation, the notification emails in Shopify with the ones in Klaviyo. So that's it. That's how to customize your Shopify notification emails, using the ones in Klaviyo. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. But before I go, if you need any help with your e-commerce email marketing, You can shoot me an email at abib@hobglobal.com or even send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.